What's up, guys? Ryan here. Wanted to give you a weekly update and what's happening with CFC College ministry. I had just done a run of this, a take of this, trying to do this, and it was like my brain was so scattered. My eyes were flicking over here and over here as I talk. And so I recognize when I'm talking to the camera, I never look at the camera, so I'm trying to do it. Oh, I did it again. Darn it. I need to do a funny video with something happening. Oh, my goodness, I did it again. When something happens when I look away from the camera. Maybe next week we'll do that. But it's not going to be a funny video. I have an idea for next week that I think will be really funny. But I just wanted to do a weekly update and not leave you guys in the dark with what's happening. And first on that list is that puck. I don't know if you saw from Becky, but puck isn't happening. And of course, we were really sad about that. We wanted nothing more than to make sure puck happened. But if you watch the video, you'll see that it just doesn't really make sense with the virus, with throwing 200 people in a small room and then sending those 200 people all throughout Jacksonville. I mean, imagine if over 80 neighborhoods, so to speak, were infected by COVID because of power-up clubs. I did it again. The news stations, the media would not be happy, and so it just doesn't seem to fit in the world we're living right now. But we're still thinking about doing some fun things this summer, and stay tuned for that. Second, I wish I could give you a weekly schedule for the summer on what's happening with College Group, but I'm really waiting on the governor's order of Phase 2 happening, which I think might come as early as next week. Right now, we're in Phase 1 of this whole reentry process, and Phase 2 basically says that you can gather in groups of 50 without social distancing. And so when Phase 2 hits, then I think we will be able to kind of begin stepping back into the normal flow of college ministry. And hopefully by then, our room's done, the college room is done. Really excited about that. If there's been one good thing that's come from COVID, it's that the college room has gone smoothly. And I hope to kind of get a couple of you guys in the room to maybe brainstorm and room setup and function of the space, which I'm excited for. But all that to say, next week I hope to have a more detailed outline of what we're doing this summer and a step-by-step in how we're jumping back into the flow of college ministry during the summer, because I know we're all kind of tired of sitting at home by ourselves. So just stay with me. But I wanted to go ahead and make a video for you guys just to let you know what's up. But again, my hope is that second phase comes in next week. And then I'll be able to talk with the elders and some staff about some ideas I have for the college ministry. Second, or I guess I've done multiple, but we will also be having a Zoom call this Sunday. That's at 11:30 like usual. And so I hope you're there for that. Josh Youngblood's going to be bringing the Devo, which I'm excited for. And so we're still going to be planning on doing our Zoom calls every other week. However, with possibly the slow phase of reentry, I'm going to be doing a lot of change-ups into what we have been doing. I think everyone at CFC and around the world, church-wise, has been kind of taking a bat and trying to swing at this ball of COVID. Sometimes we hit it, sometimes we don't. And so I think there's probably some things that I've done that I've missed it. And so I don't want to, I want to try and take another swing at some things. And so I think church chats, this Sunday is going to be the last time we do that. Looking to switch some things up after that. But church chat's still on. If you're a part of that, would love for you to jump on this Sunday. But our Zoom call's still happening, and it will happen as long as we can't meet together. But I'll let you know if that changes as well. But that's all I got. I'm still planning on the beach trip. I'm holding on to that, even though putt closed. I think we might be able to pull that off. I am waiting really see if the whole phase thing happens. But we'll let you know if we get a green light for that, and I'll put the signups up as soon as I can. So that's all I got for you, and I hope to see some of you guys in the next couple weeks. Deuces.